Hey everyone, this is Greg, and today I have a quick review for you of the Rode NT USB Studio Condenser microphone. So let's get started. This is a microphone. The best way to review it is to give you some samples. So put on some headphones for the rest of the video, and really listen to the audio quality during the voiceover and during an instrumental test of some acoustic guitar. The NT USB comes with a stand, pop filter, an absolutely massive setup guide, and a very long 6 meter or 20 foot USB cable. Since this is a USB microphone, you won't have to use an audio interface to record audio. It is simply plug and play for the most part. The NT USB has two knobs on its side, a mixer knob and a headphone output knob. The top control changes the amount of audio coming through the microphone or the computer to your referencing headphones, while the bottom control manages the volume at which you will hear your audio. These knobs do not actually affect the final volume or mix, these are only for monitoring your audio while recording. So that's basically it. To see a more in-depth review, be sure to check out my article that will be linked in the description below, as well as a link to Rode's website. Also, check the description below to see pricing and availability of this microphone. Let me know what you think of this NT USB by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you in my next video.